In this video, we're going to show you how to add a metal washer and a set screw to your unit. Let's start off by removing the handle screws on both sides. Lift up on the handle to remove it. Now grab two 7/16 inch socket wrenches. Use one wrench to loosen the nut while holding the other side in place with the second wrench. Once loose, pull the threaded rod out from the side with the nut. Carefully disconnect the triangle side bracket from the pipe. Next, we're going to identify your washers. There are two types of washers, one skinny washer and one thick washer. And then you have the metal washer with the nub that you're going to be adding to your unit. To keep the machine balanced, make sure both sides uses washers that equal the same total width that was originally with your machine. For example, if you take off a thick washer, you're going to replace it with not only the new metal washer, but you're going to also add a skinny washer. To install the metal washer, make sure the nub on the washer turns right underneath the shelf of the bracket piece as shown here. Reinsert the threaded rod through the side bracket with the metal washer and align it with the hole on the other side. This may take a few tries, but you'll get it. Put the appropriate washer back on the threaded rod and then the nut. And then tighten the nuts with the two 7/16 inch socket wrenches. To prevent your axle from spinning inside the bracket, drill a hole into the bracket on the left side near the collection wheels as seen here. Then tighten the screw into the hole. Reinsert your handle and secure it with a screw on both sides. Make sure you check out our general maintenance video to make sure your machine is properly tuned for proper collection. See the link below. After you've tuned up your machine, attach the basket to the front and you're all set.